Hello students, we have completed present tense, past tense, 4 subtypes of present tense and 4 subtypes of past tense. Students, today I am going to start future tense. Future tense, the first subtype of future tense, future indefinite tense. Today I am going to start future indefinite tense. Students, what is future indefinite tense? This sentence expresses a action. This sentence expresses an action which is occur to future, which is happen to future. जो कब होगा? फ्यूचर में होने वाले एक्शन को शो करने के लिए हम फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस का यूज करते हैं. ओके, हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. स्टूडेंट्स, what helping verb we use in future indefinite tense? We use will and shall. We use will and shall. Students, shall is used with I and we. With first person subject. With first person subject we use shall helping verb. And will helping verb used with second person and third person and plural and singular names. Okay. Will is used with you, he, she, it, they, and singular and plural nouns and names. Okay. Students, main verb. What main verb we use in future indefinite tense? We use verb's first form as a main verb. मेन वर्ब के रूप में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? verb's first form. verb की first form as a main verb हम यूज करते हैं फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस. We use verb's first form as a main verb in future indefinite tense. Okay. So students, these time adverbials are used in future indefinite tense. These time adverbials are used. ये जो टाइम एडवर्बियल्स हैं वो यूज की जाती है फ्यूचर के टाइम को शो करने के लिए. फ्यूचर टाइम को शो करने के लिए these time adverbials are used for show future time. Okay. And tomorrow, next day, next week, next month, next year, today, tonight, etc. Okay. These time adverbials are used in future indefinite tense. Tomorrow, next day, next week, next month, next year, today, tonight, etc. Okay. So students, how we make sentences? First number, affirmative sentences. How we make affirmative sentences? So look the pattern. Students, when we make affirmative sentences, what we do? We write subject first. Subject plus helping verb will or shall plus verb first form plus object plus dash full stop. After object whatever comes we write after object. Okay. ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद जो भी आता है टाइम एडवर्बियल है और भी कुछ है तो हम कहाँ लिखते हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सो दिस इज द पैटर्न ऑफ एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट dash and full stop. Okay. So students, to the example, I said write a letter. Students, look, I is a subject, shall is a helping verb, write is a past first form, a letter is a object. Look students, I is a first person subject, so we use here shall helping verb. I क्या है? फर्स्ट पर्सन का सब्जेक्ट है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज किए हैं? We used shall helping verb. I shall write a letter. Okay. Another example. You will go to market today. Okay students, you will go to market today. You is a subject, will is a helping verb, go is a verb first form, market is a object, today is a time adverbial. Okay, so students, you is a second person subject, so we use here will helping verb. Okay, you will go to market today. Look students, another example. We sell play football match. We shall play football match on Monday. Look students, we shall play football match on Monday. Students, we is a subject and shall is a helping verb. Play is a verb first form. Football match is a object on Monday. Monday is a time. Okay. So students, we is a first person subject. So we use here shall helping verb. Play verb first form. Football object on Monday time. We shall play football match on Monday. So students, these are examples of affirmative sentences. So now negative sentences. Students, how we make negative sentences? Negative sentences. So students, look the pattern. Subject plus will or shall helping verb plus not plus verb first form plus object dash full stop. Okay. So students, look the examples. I shall not buy toys. I shall not buy toys from market. Look students, example. I shall not buy toys from market. I is a subject. Will and shall. Shall is a helping verb. Not is used for negative sense. And buy is a verb first form. Toys is a object from market. I shall not buy toys from market. Okay. So students, when we make negative sentences, what we do? We write not after the helping verb. हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद हम क्या करते हैं? नॉट यूज करते हैं. ओके, आई शैल नॉट बाय टॉयज फ्रॉम मार्केट. we shall fly kite. We shall not fly kite tomorrow. We shall not fly kite tomorrow. Students, we is a subject, shall is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense. Fly is a verb first form, Kite. Kite is an object tomorrow. Means this is a time adverbial which show the time of future. जो क्या शो करता है? फ्यूचर का टाइम. We shall not fly kite tomorrow. Students, in negative sentences we use not after helping verb. Okay. They will play. Sorry. They will not play cricket. Next week. Look students, they will not play cricket next week. There is a subject, will is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense, play is a past first form, cricket is a object, next week is a time adverbial which show the future time. जो क्या कर रहा है? फ्यूचर के टाइम को शो कर रहा है. They will is used with they because they is a third person subject. Okay, so we use here will helping verb. Students, in negative sentences we use not after the helping verb. Play is a past first form, cricket is the object, next week is a time adverbial which show the future time. तो क्या शो कर रहा है? फ्यूचर के टाइम को. So students, these are examples of negative sentences. So now interrogative sentences. Students, how we make interrogative sentences? Students, look the pattern. Students, sentences which starts from helping verb. Sentence जो किससे start होते हैं? Helping verb से. Means yes and no type sentences. जो कि क्या से start होते हैं? जिसमें helping verb कैसे आती है? पहले आती है, पहले लिखी जाती है. ठीक है? Yes and no type interrogative sentences. Okay? So look the pattern. Will, shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object interrogative sign. Okay, look students, examples. Will he give you some pens? Interrogative sign. Okay students, will he give you some pens? Students, will is a helping verb. When we make interrogative sentences which starts from helping verb, what we do? We write helping verb first. हम क्या करते हैं? helping verb को पहले लिखते हैं. After that, after helping verb, we write subject and give verbs first form. You use a object, and after that we use object. Some pens. Give you some pens. Pens is a things. Okay. Will he give you some pens? Okay. Some pens is another object. Okay. Interrogative sign. Students, in interrogative sentences, interrogative sign is must. Shall we eat mangoes? Interrogative sign. Students, shall we eat mangoes? Shall is a helping verb. We is a subject. Eat. After subject, what we use? We write verbs first form. So it is a verbs first form. Mangoes is a object. Shall we eat mangoes? Students, be is a first person subject. So we use here shall helping verb. And he is a third person subject. So we use here will helping verb. Okay. Students, now who will beat your son? Interrogative sign. Students, this is an example of WH word type interrogative sentence. Students, this pattern will follow same in WH word type interrogative sentences. Only what we do? We write WH word first. Okay? सच WH word लिख लिया, ठीक है? WH word को पहले लिखते हैं, जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल में देखिए who is a WH word. And after that we use helping verb. Who will beat your son? After that we use helping verb. After that subject here. Who is a subject and WH word both. इसमें who क्या कर रहा है? सब्जेक्ट का भी काम कर रहा है और WH word का भी. इसीलिए यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट नहीं लिखा है. ओके. Beat. Verbs first form your son. Your son is a object. Who will beat your son? ओके. WH word type interrogative sentence बनाते हैं तो क्या करते हैं हम? WH word को पहले लिखते हैं, उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब, उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट. हियर सब्जेक्ट है नहीं, हु ही सब्जेक्ट है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ सब्जेक्ट नहीं लिखा है. अगर सब्जेक्ट होता तो विल के बाद सब्जेक्ट लिखते हैं. ओके. बीट वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म, योर सन इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट. लुक स्टूडेंट्स, अनदर एग्जांपल. व्हाट विल दे What will they buy from market? Student, what will they buy from market? What is the interrogative word? So we use interrogative word first, okay, a WH word. After that we write helping verb. After helping verb we write subject, and after subject verbs first form from market. Market is the object, okay. Interrogative sign. What will they buy from market? So students, these are examples of interrogative sentences. Students, now interrogative negative sentences. Students, look the pattern how we make interrogative negative sentences. Sentences which start from helping verb. Will and shall plus subject plus not plus verbs first form plus object dash plus interrogative sign. Okay. So students, look the examples. Will they not go to mall? Students, will they not go to mall? Students, what change we do when we make interrogative negative sentences? We write not after the subject. क्या करते हैं हम? सब्जेक्ट के बाद नॉट यूज करते हैं. जब हम इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं। पैटर्न सेम रहता है, यही ओनली व्हाट चेंज वी डू, वी राइट नॉट आफ्टर द हेल्प, आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट। ओके, सब्जेक्ट के बाद हम नॉट यूज करते हैं और क्या करते हैं, इंटरोगेटिव साइन यूज करते हैं। ओके, will helping verb, there is a subject, not is used for negative sense, go is a past first form, more is a object. Okay, shall I not write a story, interrogative sign. Okay students, shall I not write a story, shall is a helping verb, I is a subject, not is a used for negative sense, write a story, write is a verb first form, story is a object, last interrogative sign. Students, shall is used with I because we use shall with first person subjects. Okay, so I is a first person subject, so we use here shall helping verb, shall I not. And when we make interrogative negative sentences, what we do, we write not after subject. Okay, write a letter, write is a verb first form, a letter is a, sorry, write a story, story is a object, last interrogative sign. Where shall we not go tomorrow? Interrogative sign. Students, where shall we not go tomorrow? Students, this is a WH word type interrogative negative sentence. Okay, what we do? We write WH word first. Where, shall, after that we write helping verb, and after helping verb we write subject, and after subject we write not go tomorrow. Tomorrow is a time adverb. This shows the future time. Okay, where shall we not go tomorrow? It last interrogative sign. Students, these are examples of interrogative negative sentences. So students, the future definite tense is completed.